One of the driving forces of birding is adding to our life list, a checklist of birds we've seen throughout our lifetime. But what makes it even more exciting is the chance to spot a rarity, a species that's uncommon in our region, state, or across North America. Today we're on a mission. We've heard through the birders' grapevine that a rare bird has been spotted in Washington state just a couple hours from home, and today we're hoping to get a glimpse of it. But the question is, will we find it? Once we spot it, it'll be obvious because we're looking for a large tropical seabird that will definitely stand out amongst the usuals around here. It's been reported that our tropical seabird has been seen with flocks of Heermann's gull on rooftops as well as perched in the ship rigging where we looked earlier in the marina. Because this bird is quite the celebrity, we anticipate a group of birders hoping to catch a glimpse, so that's another thing we'll be looking for too. What brings this amazing bird so out of range all the way to Washington State? Well, that's a tale only this bird could tell you, and what a story that would be.
Wanna go home, just take me home, oh, back to the place where I belong. But there's no fools like the ones I love, oh no. So good Lord Almighty, take me home. I wanna go home, just take me home. Where I belong. There ain't nothing wrong with all the places that I've been, but Lord, won't you take me home again?
High five, we did it. Today was unforgettable, not just because we found the bird, but because of the journey it took to get here. Birding is so much more than ticking off a checklist. It's about moments like this, when nature surprises you and you get to witness something truly special. Thanks so much for being here, and we'll see you on our next outdoor adventure.